You are watching for the greater good.
In our enemy class, let me write down the methods, which we are going to use. Starting with the init method. Then, we have a draw method, which takes win, as a parameter. Lastly, we have move method. The init method is similar to the init method of Zama class. The only change is, that we pass all the attributes in the arguments and attributes related to position are not used. So let me fast forward this stuff. Now coming to self.path. Let me show you this in background picture. So the path of first enemy would be like this. The draw method is similar to the draw method of Zama class. In this method, firstly, we will call the move method, then, we will do same stuff which we did in draw method of player class. We have 8 images, when enemy is walking left, and 8 images, when enemy is walking right. And we want to display one image for 3 frames. So total walk count will be 24, or clock speed will be 24 fps. If velocity is positive, it means the enemy is moving right. Else, if the enemy is moving left, then the velocity is negative. So we will blit enemy walk right images in if condition and enemy walk left images in else condition, incrementing self.walk count respectively. Coming to the move function, if the velocity is positive and, if the enemy has not reached the end of path, Then, we continue to increment x coordinate of enemy with the velocity. Else, it means that the enemy has reached end of path. Therefore, enemy will change direction. For that, we will multiply velocity by -1. And self.walk count will be set to 0. Now, in the outer else, if the velocity is negative, and, if the enemy has not reached the initial position, we will increment self.x with the velocity. Else, it means that enemy has reached its initial position. Therefore, enemy will change direction. For that, we will multiply velocity by -1. And self.walk count will be set to 0. So, our work for enemy class is completed. See you in the next tutorial.